Everyone on YouTube wants to tell you how to double your money in a week. But today, I want to talk about something boring. I want to talk about how to get wealthy. Slowly but surely. Trying to pick the single best stock is stressful. You have to watch the news, check the charts, and worry about earnings reports. I don't know about you, but I don't have time for that. That is why I love QQQ. It's an ETF that tracks the Nasdaq 100. Instead of betting on one company, you are betting on the top 100 innovative non-financial companies in the US. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, they are all in here. Let's run a simulation. Imagine you didn't know anything about stocks. You just focused on your job, lived your life, and put $500 a month into QQQ for the last 10 years. You would have invested $60,000 of your own cash. But with the growth of the Nasdaq over the last decade, that portfolio would be worth significantly more, likely over double or triple your contribution, depending on the exact entry points. This is the power of compounding. It's not magic, it's patience. While traders are stressing out, long-term investors are sleeping well. My strategy isn't about timing the market. It's about timing the market. Whether the market is red or green, I stick to the plan. If you want to build wealth without the stress, you're in the right place. I'm Raymond, and I'll see you in the next video.